So, I started the video a little hastily. I tried to get in a beep from the street. Someone was honking their horn for about 35 seconds or so. It's a pretty magical thing. But as you can see, I've shaved up a little bit. And that'll give some real life time frame to these videos. But yeah, I guess I wanted to talk about weather today because it's been pretty extraordinary in the past few days. I would consider yesterday to be nothing short of biblical, but sounds pretty healthy. Like wow, I've been saying a lot. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this video, but oh right, the weather. So yeah, it's summertime. Yesterday, high of 70 degrees. Rained a whole lot. Um, and it hasn't actually really rained in Philadelphia area for more than I'm gonna say like one day total, really, one day in a row for the past let's say like 4 months since it stopped snowing. It hasn't actually rained pretty much at all, besides some like pretty biblical style pours, you know. So that's good, it gets 100 around 100 degrees, around 100% humidity for a few days, actually for like a week or two, and then it rains and rains and rains. And then, you know, and then it goes down to about 60 degrees, and then we find our way inching back up. Today's 78. Yesterday was 71, I believe. And tomorrow, let's give a real quick check. But I think, yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be back into the 90s. So that's healthy. The Earth's just had like a bit of a hiccup. It got pretty drunk. I mean, yesterday was Friday, Saturday. You can't expect the weather to be sober over that amount of time, right? Um, yeah, well, it kind of just, talks about a microcosm of the problems that are happening in the world right now. We are in the midst of something that's going to affect the world for the rest of probably my lifetime, whether that's tomorrow or 45 years from now, hopefully somewhere closer to the latter, right? Latter. Yeah. So, we see all these horrific weather events. We see flooding in New Jersey. We see flooding in Florida. We see no rain in California. We don't really see any rain around here. We see what is it? The lake in Lake Michigan out near Illinois and a bunch of different places. I guess Canada's in there too. They got to 100% ice cover, and then it went away in about 2 weeks. So that's healthy. Get it real cold, and then it gets nice and warm right after that, and then you forget about all the cold because it feels like it was 2 months ago, even though it was probably about less than 2 weeks. But um, yeah, I probably will come back to the weather. I really just started to make this video because of that prolific beep beep